Thank you for joining us today for a brief discussion of ICD-10-PCS for fiscal year 2020. My name is Lynn Keene.
Third one that we want to talk about today is the external approach for breast tissue. And in all of the skin and breast tables for 2020, the approach value of X external is being removed. And all I can say is yay. I am so sick of explaining why this was in the table, but yet it isn't possible to do. This finally is going to make it clear that breast tissue is not found on the outside of the body. Breast tissue itself is under the skin and subcutaneous layer of the chest. So we have to go through the skin and subcu to get there for a procedure, and external really never should have been an option. It's been there since the beginning, but it was clinically invalid, and it's going away. Okay? So here is the excerpt from the table in 2019, and this is the external that's leaving. That row will stay because the percutaneous option will stay, even though I question whether or not that is common enough, really, but I'm sure that it could be done, so it's going to stay. And then the portion of that row with external is going to leave. So let's take a look at some drawings that can help you visualize this. On the left side, the detailed picture shows the breast tissue in purple, and on the right side, in the more basic drawing, the breast tissue is in light brown. But you can see in both of those images that the sub-Q, the yellow stuff, and then the skin on the outside really is totally covering breast tissue, so external is not an option. The only structure here that can be approached externally is the nipple, and that's staying, and that's going to still have external in that row. So this is what the table will look like for 2020. You can see percutaneous is still in the row where external left, and nipple now still has all of what it needs in order to do the procedures correctly. All right, so I did put the links to where the PCS files are on the CMS website. I also gave you the updates for the full PCS code update and CM code updates from Libman Education and those vascular roadmap flashcards if you need it.